Hey guys, do you want to have Delta Executor on iOS and Android? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So as you can see, we got it right here. So we got all the settings. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So as you can see, we have all the settings. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, we have all the settings. So this is super cool. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So you can see all the settings here. So in order to download this, we need to go ahead and go over to this website. So it's called bloxnova.net. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So on the website, guys, there's a button that says Get Delta Free. So you just want to go ahead and press that, and then it will start downloading. So you can read about it. You can see it has like 2 million downloads and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. But today we're focused on downloading it. So I'm going to go ahead and press the button that says Get Delta Free. And before it downloads, we need to enter our Roblox username. So let me just go ahead and put that in right here. So let me just put it in. So now we're going to go ahead and press continue. And now we just need to wait for this to load. So press the button that says yes, connect. And the last thing we're going to do is go ahead and press continue. And then we're just going to do a verification. So we have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's completely for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So it's loading right now. So you can see it says like, okay, so press the button that says verify now, and we're going to do the verification. So we just have to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and then we'll have it on our device. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. So as you can see, we got all these apps here. So you just want to make sure you download 2 of them. And I'm going to go ahead and do Evertail. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps. So I'm going to do Travel Town as the other one. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and just wait for these to download. So the Evertail's done. So I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing around with it. So yeah, it's pretty simple. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it. So yeah, it's pretty easy, guys. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright, so yeah, super simple. So I'm just going to run this for a little bit more here, as you can see. So let me just go ahead and do that. Alright. So I'm just going to run this right here. And now I'm going to do the other one, which is Travel Town. So this one's a game. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. So I'm just going to play through it for a little bit more. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright. So I'm just running this right here. So it's pretty easy. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright. So I'm just running through this. So it's pretty simple. Nothing too insane. So let me just do this for a little bit more here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just running this right here. We should be good to go. So I'm just going to do it for a little bit more. Alright, so anyway, guys, once you're done, the Delta Executor will download. So be sure to try this out for yourself, guys. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, because this is actually working, guys. It's so crazy. So yeah, get the word out, and you too can download it for your device. So it's just super wild. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super amazing. You can see all the settings here. So this actually works. So that's super cool. So you can see all the stuff right here. So this is crazy, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. You can see all the settings. So yeah, get the word out, and peace out.